Hi, Judy Allen here with Adventurous Stamping, and I have
Hi.
Zoe here with me today because we also do Zoe and Anna stamping. But today we want to reveal to you what is in the June, right? Adventure Club, Judy's Adventure Club. So we're going to show you what's in that box because everyone that has signed up for the club has already received it. So now we're going to give you the reveal so you can see what's in it. So you ready to go down the hands and check it out? All right, because she actually helped me do some things, so that's always fun. So here's what we got. Here's the box, and looky here. Zoe actually stamped the tissue paper for us, right? Okay. And then what else we got here? We also have a cute little thank you gift that Zoe helped me package together. And this is another cute little suitcase that Zoe helped me. What's in there, Zoe? What is
Some
that?
little watermelon candies.
Some little watermelon candies. Yep. And then we have a journal, right? So there you go there. And the kit also came with 4 cards and a 3D project. And I made this for everyone. And Zoe has a real trick here for this. Tell them what you did, Zoe.
So basically what you do is you run the ink pad over it and it turns it dark and makes it look like leather.
Yep. So this is actually a light tan color, about the tan color of this tissue paper.
Yeah.
And that's what she did. And then I decorated it from there.
Yep.
As a gift to you. This is one of the items out of your $25 of items of Stampin' Up stuff that we used. And we'll also be using it in the July kit as well. And then you got half a pack of paper. And then you got these industrial trinkets here that we use, and you can use them in other things as well too. So Zoe, you want to show them? So this was your $25 of Stampin' Up product, right? And here's our gift, and here's your cards and etc. And you get the PDF tutorials too, and just a little gift we made for you, and some gifts here. So it's all in with the theme of Adventurous Sky. So Zoe, you want to show them some of the cards there we got?
So we have this little cute little card thing that Nana made. It's really cute where you could put little card in it and then you can put little candies in it.
And you can also put a gift card too, right?
Gift card too.
Yeah.
Then we also have this one, which is a little airplane, and it has this little stuff on it, and it has like this tag and this.
And we
has
actually,
an airplane.
yeah, and we actually embossed the green there with the embossing folder that's in the kit. That's not the original one, that one, but I did in the kits. We did it because my embossing folder wasn't in yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have this little fun fold that opens up like this. And it has the airplanes on it so you can like see, and then it has this back part.
There we go.
Really cool.
Yep.
We have this little fun fold.
Yeah, this is a graduation card. You make a graduation hat. And there we have it on the inside. Yep, we just stamped it, right, with the different stamps that are in the kit. And then you just had some die cutting and coloring to do there.
Yep.
So there's the 4 cards with some fun folds there. And last but not least is the treat box. So actually here, on my sample here I have for you, I actually wrote the measurements. So it says 4 3/4 with a smidgen. And this side is 2 1/2 with a smidgen. So we put this on the front side. And then we put this on the back so you could actually write a note if you wanted to. Or you could just stamp it. So mine right here is where I can easily pull it out and put it back, right? So I could do that. So I didn't want to glue it down yet. And here's what the top of it looks like.
Which is like a little 3D airplane.
Right? Yeah. Just a 3D airplane that we've built. And what I like about it too, Zoe, is that, you know what, when you're through with the box and whatever gift somebody puts in there, you can stand it right there on the counter, your desk or whatever, right? And so it's freestand on its own. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's what it's all about, right? That was the June Adventures Sky with the Judy's Adventure Club. So if you missed out and you want to join an adventure club, you just need to sign up. If you don't get the newsletter, you need to sign up for the newsletter, and links are there because the July club is going to be the beach theme with the sand dollars and the starfish and a few little extra things with it. Just going to be fun. Yeah. So and after 6 months, you get a $25 free gift from me. And then, let's see what else. Did I miss anything else, Zoe?
Not that I know of.
All right. Then you get your PDF tutorials. All right. With that, be blessed and look forward to the next Adventure Club adventure. Bye.
Bye.